Okay, so today I'm going to talk with you about one of the contests that we give to the Science Talent students every year. It's a great contest, great prizes, 500, 250, and $100. It's a relatively short essay you have to write, no more than 650 words. But the rules of the game, like any other contest or competition that we do, it's all in the rules. So what I'm going to do is I gave you the link on your Google Classroom. So when you click on that link, you are going to come to this site right here, and then when you come to this site, you are going to scroll down, and they're going to be talking about the 2021 writing contest. This is Salute to Engineering. So this is going to be based on the COVID pandemic and how we've responded to that. So the basic part of it, you're going to have to read all of this. I don't want to read all this for you. Is the 2021 Engineer Writing Girl Contest invites you to submit a piece of writing that salutes engineering's role in meeting and defeating the challenges presented by COVID-19. So, if you didn't read this right here, and again, when we do these contests, it's so important to read everything. These are some of the issues that are going to be covered or you're going to be approaching it from. You're not going to do all of these. You're going to get maybe one, maybe two. Protecting essential workers in different environments. Helping people work from home. Retooling factories to make medical and protective equipment. So these are some of the ideas you want to go through. And as you go down here, you're going to go to this. This is anytime you see a link, more tips on how to write a winning entry. So say we want to click on that, and bring us over here, and it's going to give you some tips on this, okay? And if you go through the rest of this page, this is going to be even more information about the site, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to our original link here. Right over here. And when you come down to enter the contest, middle school, that's us, you're going to write a news story or blog that illustrates so again, a news story or a blog, if it's not in that format, it will not count for the highest points. That illustrates the contribution of engineers in responding to the pandemic. You may include one original image or graphic and up to 5 references in an annotated bibliography that will help support your story. Limit 650 words. It's not a lot of words. So that's why you have to be very clear and concise when you use them. So go in here, you can read this online, or you can download the PDF. And remember that the contest is due February 1st of 2021. I would have it in before that. This is 3 months away, so you have more than enough time to get going. So when we had clicked on this before, how to write a better essay, you go to another page over here. And this is going to be talking about difference of different pieces of it, how each one of the points is taken into consideration. You're also going to be who is eligible, middle school as you are, deadlines, how do you submit? You're going to be doing it online. It's the easiest way to do it. You just type it out, put it in a PDF form, and then you're going to send it. I believe it's PDF, but you'll read this in here. Use an annotated bibliography, images, and it's always original work. So this is on, again, once you click on that page, you can get a downloadable PDF of the rules. We're back here. So over here, so this is where you're going to see some of the things where you want to take a look and see some of the important parts. Rules and regulations. So you're going to come over here, and I think that's the page we were just on. Yeah. So again, these are the rules and regulations. And we can go back to this. And class project tips. Okay. So these are all things that you should be reading. Taking a look at some of the old, the previous winners. Past contests. And I think they'll show you winners on here. I'm not sure. Let's take a look. Yeah. So I think you will see some of our students on here. I forget what year, but I don't know if they do show them. but we have had winners in this contest. So what I want you to do is today, I want you to go into your digital notebook. I want you to read through the website. Take the rest of the class to read through this and get some ideas on what they're talking about, and maybe do a little research on any one of these topics up here, or a different topic that you may want to cover. And then go through all of these, really research the website completely. So I'm giving this to all my classes, including Science Talent. So while you're doing either Science Olympiad or Science Talent, this is not going to take too much time out of your busy schedules. So, and it's a mandatory contest for Science Talent. So for other teachers, you can use this for a classroom grade. Keep in mind, though, if you use this classroom grade and you make a Jupyter grade, then you will have to have the students upload their final product to you, but they will have to go on and submit it in order for it to be counted. And I get to see those when they're submitted. Okay, so good luck with this. If you have any questions, you can always ask, but everything is on here. Please don't ask me anything that's in the website. And that is about it. So, Engineer Girl essay contest, good luck. And that is about it. Okay.